Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Enso Bot. In order to do so, here we are at enso.bot, and what is Enso all about? Well, we automated every task, wasting your time so you can finally focus on what matters. You can access hundreds of pre-built AI agents with one subscription, no wasted time, just results. And if we scroll down here, what do you want to automate? Marketing, daily tasks, sales, social media, funding. Your unfair advantage. Get what your business needs in real time, all in one subscription, 10 times more affordable than any alternative. Instant results, zero waiting, flat, affordable subscription, always ready, always available. You can take a look here at some of the AI agents that they've created. And integrates with your daily work. Every AI agent is integrating with your daily tools, platforms, software to finish the work end-to-end automatically. And you can click here to get Enso. Let's go ahead and click on that. And you can see here now that we can get unlimited services for $49 a month. We also have a 14-day free trial that you can try out. And included in the subscription, you get social media integration, post content directly to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Automate marketing, save countless hours speaking at podcasts, finding conferences, and more. Automate day-to-day with business proposals, people research, calendar, email, and more. You can grow your sales, get lists of fresh leads, and pitch them automatically about your business. Build your brand design. You can generate logos, presentations, graphic assets, and illustrations, and you can request custom AI agents for your business as well. So there's a form that you can fill out, and that will allow you to create or request a custom AI agent. So if you are interested in Enso, then head over to enso.bot. And you can get started there for 14 days free. And then after that, you're looking at a $49 subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our socials. We'd love to see you on our Discord. Also, we have a variety of promotions and recommendations for AI tools. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us too, and we'd appreciate that. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the Linktree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.